My name is Mark Braibanti, and I'm the Director of Product Marketing for INRIX.
Today, I'm going to be showing you the award-winning on-street parking information service in a new 2019 BMW 7 Series. Rather than creating a basic parking solution with pins on a map, INRIX developed numerous industry-first technologies to help BMW's on-street parking information service stand out from the pack. By combining historical and real-time data with machine learning and predictive analytics, INRIX created an innovative solution to optimize the parking experience for BMW drivers. Let's start by checking out this sleek user interface. BMW included a helpful on-street parking tutorial to show users how to use this feature. To find it, click on Navigation, then scroll all the way to the bottom. The core feature of this service helps drivers visualize streets where they have the highest probability of finding an open parking spot. BMW chose to display our predictive parking availability data as two different shades of blue to reflect their brand. Dark blue indicates the highest probability, while light blue indicates a medium probability of finding street parking. Drivers can also see which cities this service is live in. Coverage includes more than 68 cities across the US and Europe. Today, we'll be testing this service in Los Angeles. To use this parking service, drivers just need to pull up their map, then go to the Map Content section. Scroll down and make sure the parking information layer is selected. Drivers will be able to see blue lines if there is street parking available nearby. One of the coolest features of this service is the ultrasonic sensor parking availability technology that INRIX developed to enhance the accuracy and coverage of availability predictions. When a BMW has slowed down and is searching for parking sensors scan, collect, and transmit real-time occupancy information to other cars in the BMW fleet. Another unique feature of this service is called OpenSpot. When BMW drivers shift into and out of park, INRIX instantaneously alerts drivers with a circular icon to let them know that a BMW has just vacated a spot. A timer counts down, giving drivers an idea of how recently the spot has become available. Park Search Route is a new BMW feature that leverages INRIX parking path technology to integrate parking into the entire navigation experience. Traditional navigation is inefficient. Drivers typically don't start looking for a place to park until they reach their final destination, which can actually waste more time and create more traffic. Unlike traditional navigation systems, INRIX Parking Path simplifies the last mile by guiding drivers along the fastest route to find available parking, saving time and frustration. The beauty of this feature is its simplicity. Instead of having to look at their nav system to analyze information, drivers can just enjoy the ride and let their BMW do all the thinking.